Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ 1500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 144,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, battery saver, and OnStar. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.